My name is Titus Ngwepo. I am the president and the CEO of Goodie Bag. And basically what we are is we sell Asian snack around the schools, which is something that has been widely accepted. With that, all the proceeds we get from that goes on to the new Canadian Center.
Hi, my name is Selena Lee, and our original goal is to bring a sense of excitement to students in LCS and solve the problem of homesickness of Asian students. And I'm happy to say that we have a great success on our last sale. We sold out 50 bags and we had a great profit. And I hope we can be successful in the future as well.
The whole thing kind of started with the program with the Junior Achievement, and we formed a club, which is the Entrepreneurship Club. And then within the Entrepreneurship Club, we formed the Goodie Bag, which is our company name. And so we met with the shareholders, which the shareholders were the school. So that was included with Mr. Rutherford, Mr. Ranzer, and we pitched the idea. And from there, they felt confident in investing into this business. And so that's how we kind of got started. It was such a powerful moment in a way that we felt we were presenting something we're passionate about to the school and want them to support us. Of course, we're nervous, but I think that's just part of any process of anything, being nervous. And also we felt like we learned a lot from that because, well, we're able to get the experience of what actual CEOs and presidents of marketing and other actually go through in terms of presenting the ideas, presenting different approaches on how the company should go. So overall, it was an empowering and a learning experience.